Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a card share video. So I have made a decision to try to use up all of my Spellbinders dies. So of course this is going to be one where I'm using a Spellbinders product instead of a die. So it's kind of outside of the prompt, but I'm still going to go with it. So let me show you what I used. So first up, I use these really cute Fashion Jet self-adhesive embellishments by Spellbinders. I really like these. I don't often use the larger size. I tend to use the smaller ones, but the colors are really nice. And then I use the new Spellbinders butterfly. This one is the Twilight butterfly kit set, and it's 7 dimensional stickers, and I think these are really pretty. I ordered, I think, all of them. I think I got 7, including this one, and this one is, like I said, the Twilight butterfly, so super pretty. And also to create the card that I'm gonna share, I used this Avery L photopolymer clear stamp set, and this is everyday circle tags. So while you don't have to make a circle, you can cut them out if you'd like, but I really like using the circle that they provide, and I really like this set a lot. I've used it quite a bit, and it's the Avery L everyday circle tags. I also use this Brutus Monroe alabaster white embossing powder. I think this is like the 3rd embossing powder of white embossing powder that I've ever purchased, and I really like this one. It's really bright and it embosses really beautifully. So that's the Brutus Monroe alabaster white embossing powder. So let's check out the card. So here is my card, super simple. Here are the little adhesive embellishments, and then of course the butterfly, and then the sentiment on the front. I also used to create this card, I used this chomper. It's by We Are Memory Keepers, and it has 2 sides in which you can choose from. And on this one, I used the deco side to create this look right here. If you can see that. And of course, the cardstock that I always use is from Joann, and it's the Basil cardstock. So what do you think? Let me know below if you think this is a cute card. I like it a lot. It's super simple, but I think the butterfly makes it pop. Thanks for watching, and I'll check with you later. Bye.